Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Drive, Click, Torque Wrench Set by ebasic. Oh yeah, ebasic is a nice drive, click, torque wrench with a 1/4-inch drive. It's a click torque wrench set. For more accurate and portable, it is too. For bicycle, for example, or for the smaller balls and screws out there on your car. It's for maintenance work on your bicycle, for road and mountain bikes, for motorcycle. It's a multi-tool because you can dock there on a 1/4-inch drive easily every nut you like. The range comes from 5 Nm up to 25 Nm. And this is a nice area of torque. It's nice. It's really nice. But what is a torque wrench? It is a tool used to apply a specific torque to a fastener, such as a nut, a bolt, or leg screws. It is usually in the form of a socket branch with special internal mechanism. A torque wrench is used where the tightness of screws and balls is crucial. It always the operator to set the torque applied to the fastener so it can be matched to the specifications for a particular application. This permits proper tension and loading of all parts. A torque wrench uses torque as a proxy for bolt tension. The technique suffers from inaccuracy due to inconsistent or uncalibrated friction between the fastener and its mating hole. In this case, the torque wrench is calibrated, and that's the right torque if you're using it. The measuring ball tension is actually what is desired, but often torque is the only practical measurement which can be made. So many screw heads I separated from balls, really, because I'm not in the past. I was not going to use like a torque wrench like this here. But after a few damaged screws, you will go to a torque wrench, I promise. Really. So, I have a bunch of torque wrenches at home. For every Newton meter range, one device. And this device goes from 5 Newton meter to 25. It helps ensure that the fittings on our bike, for example, are tightened to the correct torque, and that clamping force are distributed evenly across clamping surfaces. This helps prolong the life of high-performance components and prevents damage from over-tightening. Ideal for use on stamps, seat clamps, lever clamps, chain sets, rotors, and headsets. Over-tightening balls can cause expensive damage to our bike. Applying too little torque can lead to balls working loose or not doing their job. This 1/4-inch drive dual direction torque wrench driver removes the guesswork, making it easy to follow the manufacturer's recommending settings. Smooth and precise operation. The spring-loaded adjustment collar automatically locks in place at the desired torque setting, ensuring it will not accidentally slip when being used. High contrast Newton meter scale is easy to read. The wrench emits a click that can be heard and or felt when the preset torque value is reached, alerting us to stop applying the force. Bespoke protective molded case to keep the adjustable torque wrench and tool bit stored safely. Also includes storage section inside case to store bolts when using the wrench. Reversible ratchet head measures the torque in clockwise and counterclockwise direction. Engage and release the bit installment button, including individual certificate of calibration with each set. They are so confident about these high quality wrenches that they give us a letter into it, and this is the calibration certificate. That's nice. So we can use this drive click torque easily and super easily because it comes with a good scale on it. You can see how much Newton meter you set up before. To set up the torque wrench, it is really easy. On the bottom side there is a screw, a big bolt screw or a nut. This nut you have to rotate anti-clockwise. Then you are getting the setup grip free, and then you can rotate the right Newton meter setup. After you've finished your setup, you have to lock again this counter nut on the bottom side of that appellants. And then you're ready. Get the nut, the bit on the 1/4 inch drive, set to the right direction, right or left rotation, and then you can start measuring your bolts, your screws or others out there. This is important that if you're finished your measurement, you have to loosen again the counter bolt on the bottom side again and let the Newton meter set up down before to 0. That's important. Then you can get it back, this device, get back into the case, job's done. That's easy, isn't it? This is the drive click torque wrench set by ebasic. 1/4 inch drive click torque wrench set for more accurate and portable operations. For bicycles, tool maintenance kits for road and mountain bikes too. And of course motorcycle multi-tool from 5 to 25 Newton meter. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.